I'm happy to be here with the invitation of Dr. Padinia. And I'm happy to hear Damayanti Lee speaking about this Murugat tree. Well, I'm already planned to, my topic is to develop a nation, we need a healthy generation of children. And I have planned to give 5 grams of Murunga powder free to the school children who are under malnutrition. But I'm very sorry, I have met Namal Rajapaksa and so many people, even President Maitripala Sirisena, and for 4 years I'm trying to give this, which the medical institute says, no, you have to get that certificate, this certificate, and things like that. But I'm happy to be here today with Dr. Padinia, and who encouraged me, and I have made a plan. And I started this, actually I'm an agriculturist. When I was in the agriculture field, I happened to see the children going to school without even a glass of plain tea. For 30 years, I just looked at it, and I came to a place called Sevanagala, which I seen cattle with milk being sent to the slaughterhouse, because they call them Gambara. They send about 25 cows every week with 2-3 liters milk, and with honey is done. So I asked that Gambara, "Oya pinak karana kemathi nadda?" He asked, "Mokadda mahathya?" I said, "Me kiri tika dennako mata ganda." He said, "Leon mahathya, mahathya burger da lunch da kiwwe hinda me kiri tika manga obata denawa ape sinhala manussayo killot mekak denne naha." That is where I started my free milk distribution for 1,000 children for every schooling day without a single cent from anyone else but from the cattle owners. I continued that for 5 years. Sevanagala, Rasagala, Balangoda, Imbulpe, Belluloya, and Hikkaduwa, with only 2,500 rupees given by gypsies. I don't know who gave that money. I think God gave me. And today, I'm in a position to give 2 million children who are under malnutrition. President is not worried. No one is talking. I thought when this government comes into power that they'll be talking about malnutrition. But I handed over a letter personally to the president, which I have not got a reply for the last 5 months. I handed over a letter to Pavitra Vanyarachi, still I have no reply. But I won't give up, because I am 70 years old, I have not seen a doctor, I do not know cholesterol, I do not know anything, because I take Murunga and garlic in the morning. So I call upon you, how do I raise these funds? I need 10 rupees per child, but I have made a way. This is just an ordinary exercise book, which is here. If you buy one of these books in 365 days, I can raise 365 million rupees in 1 year. And out of that, there is no drinking, no smoking, 80% goes for the children and 20% goes for administration. I call upon you to join me. We can really do this. I don't want, yeah, because I told you in several, yeah, this is something I know. I think we are talking about ourselves. I heard here people wanting, I can sell a kilo of Murunga for 40,000 rupees. Will you believe it? Will you believe it? I have my parents all in Australia. I have, if we just say you buy this and save this child, they won't think about the money. So I can sell anything. I have cactus, and I'm going into a vast product with Agape Foundation. I would like all to join, to get together, and we'll eradicate malnutrition from the children. But then eradicating malnutrition is not from the children, because there is 250 mothers pregnant per year. out of that, there is at least about 1 lakh children who are born with malnutrition. So if we don't stop that, it's useless us just going and trying to save these children. So we should try to bring forth a healthy baby to this country. So that is my intention. I will call upon everyone. I don't want to talk a lot because I am involved in this and I have the money. I can raise the money. I don't need anyone to give me money, only purchase one of these books for 1 year because I can sell. I have spoken to every bank. Every person is waiting to see this happen. So I think we should launch this very soon. I call all upon you to get together. This is a transparent foundation, right? Because I'm 70. If God gives me another 2 years, I could die by saving the children. Thank you very much. My speech.